This is a wireless LED light bar by Brilliant Evolutions, and it's so easy to use. All you have to do is tap it on and tap it off. It's so simple. Or you can also use this remote too. This provides 75 hours of battery life, and it just uses 3 AA batteries, which aren't included, and it gives off 75 lumens of light. Super bright. And it measures 9.75 inches by 2.75 inches by 1.25 inches. It also includes these screws for easy installation under your cabinets, or you can also use this double-sided tape that's provided. This is perfect for your kitchen, as well as your closet, the trunk of your car, even display cases too. You can control up to 12 lights with this remote, and you can even turn it on from 15 feet away. And it has a lot of features. This is the on and off button, and you can also set the dimmer for higher as well as lower. Or if you want, you can put it on 50% light, back to 100% light, and there's even a timer too, for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. So to turn it off, you just push this red button. To turn it on, you push the green button. If you want to do it to 50%, you just push on the 50% button. And if you want it back to 100%, you push the 100% button. And if you want it somewhere in the middle, you can just dim it right here. And you can even put it all the way back. If you want it on a timer feature, just click on the corresponding button for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes. After you click it, it's going to blink, so it's going to tell you that it understood the command. I was sent this from Brilliant Evolution for me to give my opinion, and I really like it. And I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.